Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy website text and convert it into your Word doc. First of all, you're going to have to simply launch a browser. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and simply search for an article which you would like to convert into your Word doc. Once you do that, you're going to have to simply copy the link here. So select Control and C. As you do that, launch your Word doc. At this section, select Insert. Now come back onto this text ribbon and expand the last button. Here select Text File From button. And simply paste what you just copied and select Enter. Wait for this page to load. And after a couple of seconds, you will notice that the file that you were seeing in the website is now here in your Word doc. You can see it has images as well and links that work. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch up soon.